Natural remedies have been cherished for generations as effective ways to alleviate coughing. In this scene, we explore the comforting world of homemade solutions that people turn to when they're under the weather. One popular remedy is a soothing mixture of honey and lemon known for its ability to coat the throat and reduce irritation. Let's dive into the warmth of ginger tea, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. Herbal teas such as peppermint and chamomile offer not only relief but also a moment of tranquility. The menthol in peppermint acts as a natural decongestant, making it a favorite among those seeking comfort. Turmeric, with its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, is another natural remedy that can help ease coughing. Mixing it with warm water creates a soothing drink that many swear by when they feel unwell. Garlic, renowned for its medicinal properties, is known to enhance immunity and fight infections. Many people incorporate crushed garlic into their meals or consume it raw to help combat persistent coughs. Inhaling steam infused with eucalyptus oil can be incredibly beneficial for soothing respiratory issues. The refreshing scent helps open up airways, providing immediate relief from coughing.